aldrig rädd för att bli gripen? För det är ju många som har begett sig till Nordkorea som faktiskt sen har hamnat i fängelse också. Om man råkat säga fel sak vid fel tillfälle.
Jo, men precis. Grejen är, jag blev lite för bekväm för efter maraton. Det blev lite som en studentresa, men jag fick aldrig någon studentresa. Vi krökar varje kväll. Och jag glömde bort att jag var i så pass slutet och en av världens mest stränga diktaturer.
Long live the supreme leader. Korea, no Japan. Miso soy.
Nordkorea. Det första man tänker på är diktatur, militärparader och en totalt brist på frihet. Men vad gör egentligen en vanlig nordkorean om dagarna? I det här avsnittet går till botten med just det. Jag bowlar med lokalbefolkningen, super med statstjänstemän, ger blommor till deras enorma staty, pratar drömmar och försöker skaffa mig en nordkoreansk vän. Eller vilken vän som helst egentligen. Det här är min jakt på vardagen i världens mest slutna land.
Ja, god morgon. Jag är klar vid 2. Klockan är 6. Vi ska ut på morgonpromenad. Eller så jag hoppas det är promenad.
Jag tror det här skulle vara morgonpromenad. Det är så svårt att springa. Ärligt talat, det här är jobbigare än maratonet alltså. Det är så fucking bakis. Going around every morning?
Yeah, every morning, yeah.
The machine you back home too?
Yeah.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Jag är bara uppe. För jag lovade henne att jag skulle upp och springa 6:30. Hon är säkert bara uppe och bara, det här, jag lovade dig allsvenskan att jag skulle springa och vara med honom 6:30. Jag tror inte någon av sig vill vara här, verkar som. Jag ska kolla hur bara luktar här i Korea. Jag blir för hög på det här, jag älskar det här. Bättre droger alltså. I'm back man. What's up? Had a good run? Sorry? Had a good run? Yeah, it's great. Yeah, had a good walk. Alltså även om man är bakis, jag är fan Nordkorea. Jag är inte Nordkorea varje dag. Förmodligen, de ska stänga igen landet igen. Det här gjorde de bara för atleter. Jag är inne här på ett fucking atletvisa. Så jag är inne i Nordkorea på ett atletvisum. Jag är ingen jävla atlet alltså. Men så man får passa på när man kan helt enkelt. Så det var skönt att ta en joggingtur längs med floden där borta. No, I think we're ready for the Kim statue. Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Right.
The founding of the Workers' Party of Korea.
Efter att plåga mig själv tillräckligt var det äntligen dags att träffa Kim Il-sung. Och vi var inte ensamma med den redan, utan halva Nordkoreas befolkning verkar redan varit där. Allt från Men in Black till nygifta par.
Jag raggar upp en nordkoreansk tjej. Nej, jag ska inte. Eller? Nej, jag ska inte. Jag ska faktiskt ge den här till Mr. Kim.
Okay, we will make a line here. Yeah.
Och det här gjorde jag endast för att det var enda sättet att komma fram till statyn. Det var att köpa blommor. Jag gjorde det inte för att jag älskar deras ledare så mycket. Efter statyn besökte vi den väldigt ödmjuka stugan landets grundare hade växt upp i. Han var tydligen
is the
bonde.
leader of the country, but they are still farmers, so they continued farming.
Och guiden var väldigt petig med vad vi fick röra.
And please don't step on this floor.
Men hon var snäll nog och lät oss dricka exakt samma brunn han använde. Men att ge blommor till ledaren och dricka ur hans mugg, det räckte inte för mig. Utan jag var här på ett uppdrag. Jag ville skaffa mig en koreansk vän. Och till min förvåning så var den första personen jag träffade självaste Hong Min Song.
Can I show?
Okay. What's your name?
Kim Song.
Kim Il-sung.
Oh, Hong Min Song! What a screamer!
Arthur.
Yeah.
Arthur.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What are you doing now?
Oh, well, I want to study now.
Yeah. What do you want to study?
Well, what a language.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, you talk really good English.
Yes.
You want to study English or some other language?
Some other language,
Yeah.
of course.
Like what language?
Well, English.
English, yeah,
Yes.
That's great.
Vid lunch lämnade vi staden och rullade ut mot landet. Vägen slingrade sig genom fält där människor arbetade i det tysta, böjde vid jorden med bara händer och enkla verktyg. Några enstaka traktorer syntes i fjärran, som undantag i en värld där kroppen fortfarande är främsta redskapet. En man ledde en mager ko längs med vägkanten, som om tiden inte riktigt hunnit kapp just här. Nästan inga bilar, bara cyklar och fötter mot dammig asfalt. Det kändes som att färdas genom ett vykort från en annan tid. Och så, mitt i allt jordnära och stilla, ett blänk av framtid. Ett enormt nytt växthuskomplex glänsade i solen. Här odlas maten till huvudstaden. Det var dit vi var på väg.
Building a new city.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Like this.
I think it's called subway surfers.
So you teach students as well?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you teach them? English?
English, Chinese.
Nice. What do you like most, like with your job?
Because I like teaching.
Yeah. You get happy from teaching.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's good. I think it's important to find that. Like
Actually, when I was a kid, I didn't want to be the kind of teacher, especially English teacher. Yeah, kind of foreign language teacher. But
yeah. What did you want to be when you were younger? Singer. Yeah, I want to be a football player and an astronaut.
Really?
Yeah, singer.
But my mom wants me to become a foreign language speaker because that was her dream.
Yeah.
So she wants to live up to her dream.
Yeah. I feel like parents like to do that. They would like to live their life through their children.
Mm-hmm.
I understand that, but it shouldn't be like that. But at the same time, I know that when I have kids, I'm gonna force them to be a football player. Do you sing still?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You're going to karaoke tonight?
This is my direction, I think. Yeah.
Singing? Yeah.
No, I'm not singing. This time I teach.
Ja, jag var inte beredd på att min nordkoreanska guide skulle tramadampa på mig. Men det ser ut som att vi i väst och de i diktaturer i öst delar exakt samma problem. Miss Li, jag hoppas att du följer din dröm en dag.
Vi är just där och tittar på växthusen här i Nordkorea. Hur de odlar sin mat och vart de får den ifrån. Tydligen ska det vara flera tusen växthus här. Jag är inte riktigt säker. Det är säkert. Det tar aldrig slut. Växthus är inte min grej. Jag är inte bra på blommor. Jag kan inte hålla min blomma levande hemma lite. Ja, då ska vi besöka en nordkoreansk cannabisfarm. Det här Kimpa gör sitt gräs. Intressanta grejer. Men vi är ändå i Nordkorea, det gäller att vara tacksam. Allt kan inte vara kul. Som sagt, allting är gott. Så mycket av det goda. Då klistrar öven ihop sig. Så sen på ryskan. Shoppa slipnitsa. Ändå coolt på ett sätt. Vi är ändå i Korea. Det här är ett växthus i Korea. Det gör det 10 gånger mer intressant än om det bara var ett växthus.
And then next, three. It's here.
Okej. Nu drar vi. Ja, fy fan. Tog du gas, Jemba? Det här har odlat sitt gräs, den jäveln. Kolla in det här. Det ser ut som grannar. Looks like my neighbor's place. It grows weed like this.
Really?
Yeah.
We build the greenhouse in this place for solving the vegetable problem for our people. They have 8 kinds of greenhouses, like cylinder greenhouses for growing vegetables. And in cylinder greenhouses, they don't affect the climate.
Nice greenhouse for citizens for the Pyongyang.
Yeah, exactly.
But we are going to make the other greenhouses like modern greenhouses.
Sen så skickas all mat till huvudstaden Pyongyang och hamnar i butiker som dessa. Jag känner nu ändå ätit nordkoreansk mat, jag har fått se hur det växer. Jag vill kunna dela med mig lite av svensk mat. Och vad är inte en bättre staple för svenska köket än svenskt godis?
A little bit sour.
Yeah. You like it?
It's okay.
Yeah.
Ja, hon verkar inte vara det största fanet. Så jag bjöd också godis till de som skulle uppskatta det lite mer. Nämligen småbarn.
It's Swedish candy, it's very good.
Her name is Oyunjo, he says.
Oyunjo, okay. Oyunjo, this is for you. Swedish candy, it's like a Volvo car.
스웨디의 사탕인데.
It's very good. You want? It's for you. To share. Yes, no worries. Have a good
Thank you very much, okay?
Snus is. Okay, this is old. This is like, so you don't throw it out. Here is the real one. So.
What's that?
Yeah, so this is snus. It's tobacco, like in cigarettes.
Tobacco.
Yeah, and nicotine, like in cigarettes too. But you don't smoke it. You put this, and then you just get like nicotine and tobacco.
You don't need to smoke.
No smoking. So it's good for lungs. Yeah, and it's Almost same effect. You want to try? Oh, okay. There's different flavors too. Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you want this? Give a friend. Give it to a friend.
Okay.
Yeah. Called Lundgren Skåne. Here's the Swedish flag as well. Here it says made in Sweden.
Made in Sweden?
In Swedish, yeah. Tillverkad i Sverige. Yeah. It's good.
Okay, good.
Jajamän.
Asian culture, especially in Korea, we think that when marriage, then live forever. Yeah, but you know, if you have something problem that between man and woman, then it's life. Divorce is life.
Where do people usually meet each other? Where do people usually meet each other?
Blind dates.
Yeah, blind dates. Yeah.
Blind dates, or just friends each other, talking each other. Oh, and then just get along with each other. Kissing. Just maybe go to the cinema.
Yeah.
And now we are using intranet, and we are doing chatting on their phones as well. Yes, yeah, we have a Azalea chat.
Jag ska ladda ner koreansk tider.
Ja.
Härifrån ser det bara ut som att jag håller i sin snopp, ärligt talat. De måste väl tänkt på det.
Especially foreign studies.
Så ärligt talat, Nordkorea har bara varit en lång jävla feberdröm. Knepet med att få reda på mer om det här landet är att bara supa ner alla nordkoreaner på det här resan så mycket jag kan bara. Men jag som sagt, när de börjar dricka då de börjar snacka. Jag vill dock inte utsätta dem för någon fara, för säger något dumt och jag lägger ut det så kanske. Hästen dog efter det där. Nej, jag skojar. Men alltså Kippa, han ser faktiskt fett skön ut. Bortsett från alla koncentrationsläger och diktatur. Så hade jag fan lätt kunnat ta en bira med dem. För säger något dumt och jag lägger ut det så kanske, ni vet, deras familj och deras alla förfäder och förfäders ungar och hela släkt åker in i en koncentrationsläger. Och det hade inte jag velat ha på mitt samvete. Men, jag vet jag Yes, sorry. Jag har inte så illa. De åker och vindsurfar, de går på restaurang. Ja, det här är dock inte hela sanningen, det är bara Pyongyang. Jag ska göra det fort, men han ser så jävla glad ut, tycker inte det? Förlåt, men han ser fan ut som en tjock unge i en godisaffär. Det är väl typ det han är också för sig. Tänk dig att han styr ett land på 25 miljoner människor. En tjock liten skitunge. Okej, han ser ut som så. Wait, you bought Lego?
Tank Lego. Come on, bro.
Shit.
Come on, bro.
Ska spöa en Nordkorea på bowling. Shit. No, they say you're either good at bowling or you're good in bed.
Oh yeah, for not from one, not for the other.
You like bowling? You like bowling? You're good at bowling?
My name is Korean. I'm Pyongyang.
I'm Pyongyang. That's a pretty name. My name is Arko. Sweden. Korea. Yeah, no, Swedish. Yes. But Sweden and Korea are good friends. Yes. I love Pyongyang. It's really good. Okay, I'm gonna talk to him.
This is the only time we.
Hello. Who's winning? Wait, can I sit here? Thank you. Hello. Nice to meet you. Arthur. I like your suit. You look very fancy. You look very good. So what do you know about Sweden? What do you know about Sweden? Sverige.
Yes.
Sverige. Yes. Good, Sverige. Good. What do you think about Sverige? Are you? Who's winning? Who's this?
Me.
You. Nice. And who's this? Yeah, he's lying.
Oj.
Där ja. It says Volvo. It's a car. You know car? Yeah, car. Yes. You know about the car Volvo? It's a car from Sverige. Why are you laughing? You're making jokes?
Kimchi.
Efter att ha tagit lite bilder med mina nya nordkoreanska kompisar så kom en av våra guider fram till dem och beslagtog deras mobiler. Varför vet jag inte. Det var skumt. När solen började sjunka över Pyongyang var det äntligen dags att avrunda dagen, och vad passar bättre än att fira med en flaska ormsprit som jag hade köpt tidigare. Men efter en dag fylld av bowling, växthus och samtal om drömmar slog det mig. Livet är strikt, ja, nästan koreograferat. Men mitt i allt det här kontrollerande finns också något annat. Leenden, nyfikenhet och en slags mänsklig värme som sipprar fram trots allt. Kanske är det just de små ögonblicken som säger mest. Men nu är det dags att supa.
What's the percentage?
60 mate.
60?
Yeah.
I dare you.
Dare me.
I dare you to kiss it.
I can do that.
60%. They want to fucking be bored.
I don't know. There, it's fucking whiskey with snake inside, I guess. Here's the head. Still.
See how much of it we can drink before we die.
Yeah.
You buy your good video. You buy your travel insurance.
I have no insurance. You know, when they ask me like put your insurance in, I just made up a number. Not like they're going to check it the day before we leave. So
do they insure for this? Like drinking as much Salesian whiskey as possible? I didn't think that was one of the options.
Who cares?
For me, just little. No, seriously. I mean, like a tiny bit seriously, man. No. Yeah,
run down Central
That's a good one.
We got, in Sweden we do like schnapps, visor. Oh shit. But drink from the bottle.
Yes.
Drink from the bottle.
Do a shoeing. Drink out of the fucking ashtray.
Sing a little song. So we can do a Swedish song.
And we sing like God Save the Queen, is okay?
No.
All in favour?
Hon är så ensam, hon är så frusen. Hon hade istoppar under musen. Skål! Cheers guys!
For Sweden!
Oh, it's bad. It's horrible.
It's not like that bad, but it's pretty bad.
Hold it. Fucking hold it, son.
Another one?
You look like you enjoy it.
Now a bit of beer. I look like I enjoyed it.
Seriously, they're fucking brats these days.
I'm a teacher, right?
Oh shit, alright.
What? Teacher, he says as he takes his big whiskey shot.
A role model.
Smoking a fucking fag.
Just smash it down. 3,
Such a bad idea.
2.
Long live the supreme leader. Korea, no Japan. Miso soy.
Is that from a movie?
I don't know.
Miso soy. Start smashing them.
Yeah.
Right. 3, 2.
No.
1.
One's coming out.
Right. Another one. Another one.
Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one.
Stop. Yeah. When you're having seizures, this lowers your seizures. Stop. You don't have seizures.
It hasn't even started yet.
No, we're only starting. The night is young, man. Yeah.
That's gonna be great
So,
content.
yeah, David, they have an injection that cures AIDS from hepatitis to fucking cancer.
Amazing.
Everybody just have to go to Korea. They're
Why
cured.
don't you fucking learn from Koreans, huh?
You know, my friend, Kant is the cancer of can.
Kant.
Kant is the cancer.
Kant is the cure for everything. That's easy.
Kant. You said I can't. It's the wrong mentality.
Snake whiskey is working.
Yeah. You know, in 2 minutes, I'm gonna call you a terrorist. Okay, I'm sorry, man. Sorry, David.
Good night, guys.
Buenos noches, bitches.
Buenas noches.
How did I get roped into this?
Oh,
I feel like I need to give like a Shakespearean soliloquy before I
do it.
Please.
I'm not smart enough.
We already got a Shakespearean soliloquy. Cunt is the answer of everything.
I'm getting addicted to this content.
Yeah, contents are great. Det här är killen jag ska åka med Ryssland till. Okay, no, but seriously, have you seen the interview? Yeah. You know when Kim the man brings all the naked bitches.
Okay.
What the fuck is going on? This is the karaoke room. Yeah. Just one more shot. Then we go to karaoke.
Get so fucked up, he'll eat the
steak. I'll eat the steak.
Just my guy.
Skål!
Fucking embalming
Skål.
fluid. So you stuck the snake in.
Salute.
Like 6 shots.
Every time you do that, it looks like your soul is about to escape from your body.
Karaoke, let's do this.
Sure.
We'll be the first one.
Okay. Hamsa hamnida. Thank you. Oh, the bottle. Oh, it's in my hand. You too, man. The beer. I'll take the beer as well. Fuck it. See you tomorrow, man. Grabbar, idag väl. Åk till Nordkorea, alltså på riktigt. Vet du hur billigt det är med alkohol? Det här kostar mig, den här flaskan kostar mig 100 spänn. Ölen kostar mig 10 spänn.
Men kvällen var tydligen inte klar. Jag träffade Mr. Kim som sitter till höger. En statstjänsteman som helt lugnt sa att han har träffat självaste Kim Jong-un. Och plötsligt sitter vi där med ormsprit i glasen och snackar politik. Varje gång jag lutade sig fram och sa något allvarligt tänkte jag typ okej, nu händer det. Nu kommer en svart bil och jag kommer inte härifrån. Men slog han bara, hällde upp mer sprit och vi fortsatte snacka. Som det där var världens mest normala onsdagskväll.
It's good.
Stefani?
Ericsson?
Do you like Messi or Ronaldo more? Ronaldo? Yeah, me too. You know about Swedish president, prime minister? Sweden? Sverige? Because Sverige and Korea, good friends. I think so. Yeah.
I like horse.
We don't have.
We
love.
I use it when now I use Kisser.
Stiga, yeah.
If you
The
haven't
ping pong, yeah. You play ping pong? Yeah. You know Truls, the Swedish player. Truls. He's pretty young. He's young, but he's one of the best Swedish players right now. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, shit. That's crazy.
Not wow.
Yeah, it's like, yeah.
They get a bit funny about.
Kim, I have a question, because in Sweden and Denmark, you know, the Danish guy, in history, we've been at war with each other for so many years, but now we're friends. Do you ever think that you will become friends with your enemies, like the US and the RK? Or do you think it's not a possibility? Because like Sweden and Denmark, the neighboring countries, many years ago, like hundreds of years ago, Sweden and Denmark fight each other all the time.
Sweden and Denmark.
Yeah, Sweden and Denmark. And they're so close. But now they're friends. Do you ever think like Korea will be friends with RK in the future?
I say our people in our country are very sick because of coronavirus.
Yes.
But do you want to be friends? Do you, as a person, want to be friends?
No.
Yeah, so
I don't want to.
So that's the answer.
So for me, from my opinion, I also very sick because coronavirus.
Yeah. You think you think that most people feel the same as you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
What is the main problem, do you think?
South Korea? No.
They are very easy.
Yeah.
Very easy.
You think US is a problem? You think US is the problem?
Yeah, they are also our enemy.
Yeah.
The USA is 10,000 enemy.
But maybe if you met an maybe if you met a USA person, you might be friends. You might not have a problem.
I haven't met the USA person.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
A person from USA, a person from South Korea, who wants to know about our country and our people exactly.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah, that's good.
Because as you know, you are here.
Of course.
You feel about it is very different from.
Yeah, from what they say. Yeah.
You say?
Yeah, that's good. I've been enjoying the trip so far. I really love the Korean people. Very friendly people. Yeah.
Oh, they're lovely.
Yeah, really good people.
Really
Especially
you, Mr. Kim. Especially you.
It's like, from our experience, because we're from so different countries, we're from the West, like UK, Sweden, we had a great time in the Korea. Most of the people, they don't know this side of Korea, about the people.
Yeah, like they don't know you.
Yeah.
Like they don't know.
They just hear what news say about the country.
Because maybe do you know the reason why they can't attack us?
Why?
Do you know?
No.
Because your army's amazing. For one, you told me that.
It's the main point. There is a main point. So the reason I can say because we have nuclear power.
Yeah.
But also at the same time.
So also we can say to develop the nuclear power is only for defending.
Of course.
Yeah.
But
for not
aggressive
to others.
But also at the same time, I do think they don't want to take you. I don't think they want to take you.
No, they want to take us, but
do you really think
they
that?
are very afraid.
If you met someone tomorrow from the ROK, what would you say?
I don't want to talk about him.
Yeah.
What if he just wanted to talk to you? What if he wants to talk to you? You're not interested?
No. You don't want to.
Korea has a right to defend itself.
If there is
no
nuclear weapon in our country, without nuclear country,
they would attack. Yes.
Country.
Yes. Yeah.
See, I mean, in all honesty, that part of me, part of that is, I do actually, it does make It does make a lot of bloody sense, really, when you think about it.
Yeah, I mean, like everybody, all the big countries have nuclear weapons.
So we say, because of you, we have nuclear power to practice, to defend our country.
Yeah, it's not like you use them.
Yeah.
It's simple.
Yeah, it's like the Russia and the United States during the Soviet Union. They built nuclear weapons just in case.
To deter each other.
Yeah, exactly.
They built them.
Yeah.
They built them.
Yeah.
But then also when you think about it, as I said, like all the US bases.
Yeah, it's like Cuba, Turkey.
You don't have DPRK bases.
Yeah, that's true.
In Miami or like in Cuba.
Yeah, because like America is a base in OK, so close, but you don't have base close to America. So in reality, they're actually more aggressive. Yes.
Just you say, I can understand.
Yeah.
So, do you want to be Korean?
I can't be because you. If I want to be, would you accept me to be Korean? It's a hard process. You know what I mean? So it is possible. So I can come to Korea. If let's say I meet a.
Now you've converted.
No. I meet a pretty Korean woman. I want to go to Korea.
No, it's not possible.
Nah.
It's not possible.
Don't listen to him. He doesn't know what he's talking about.
I know.
I want to listen to you. You're from Korea. You can answer. Say, I meet like Miss Kim. Miss Kim, cute. I like Miss Kim. I wanna marry Miss Kim. I wanna go to Korea. Is it possible for me to go to Korea?
It's possible.
It's possible, yes.
Possible. Why? Is it possible?
Why not? Why not?
Otherwise there'd be hundreds of foreigners here.
No, but it's been closed since COVID.
Oh right, and you think that it's not possible? You know it's not possible.
It's possible. What do you think? You don't want.
But what about the defector from the US with the 2 children with the Korean? He went to Korea. I guess he lives here now. I don't know.
He wants to stay, basically. Maybe he'll stay at your house. have you got a spare room?
If you want to be gone.
Yeah.
Korea.
Yeah.
I can give you.
Yeah.
Half of my house.
Hey, Mr. Kim, give it to me. Give it to my man. You have, yes. This agreement.
Take it away.
No.
It's my house. Move your hands, move.
Close it.
Are you in?
I know. Get really close. Get a bit awkward.
Wow. This is great.
Fuck yeah.
1, 2,
4.
Yeah. How are you gonna get it out?
Yeah, we're gonna do it.
How are you gonna get it out?
I'll just puke it out.
No, but how are you gonna get it out?
Oh. Thank you. I don't know. Like stick.
Fucking hell, Mr. Kim, what the hell? Is it coming out? No, you need a chopstick. Do you
There we go. If you haven't said anything, I will down. Oh no!
Oh my god!
Okay. Yeah. Yes. Oh fuck! Okay, I mean we're.
Come on.
Should I look at it?
Just eat the whole thing. Just eat it. You can do if you like it.
I'll die.
You might like it.
Think so?
Maybe.
looking at you.
Yeah. Like.
Let's have a look at the head. Oh, I don't want to touch it.
Fuck. Wait, you have to pump me up, please.
Okay, right. We're happy. We're in the DPRK. We're happy. We love it.
We love it.
We're very happy. Chew it.
Oh fuck! Oh, it was disgusting.
How do you feel?
I feel cold, man. I feel cold inside.
Was it nice?
No, it felt. No, it felt. I don't know how to describe it.
Was it nice? How did it taste?
Like.
Come on, I need some details.
Yeah, it tasted like. I don't know what's the word in English.
Disgusting. Normally works.
Yeah, disgusting is a good word. Thank you. But it tasted like, you know, when you were a kid, and you tasted the toys.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it tastes like fucking plastic toy. Yeah, exactly, plastic
yes.
toy. Yeah.
Well done. Seriously, well done, mate. Well done. Because that's crazy. That is crazy. That is crazy. You're brave, man.
Yeah, thank you. Alright, we gotta go sleep, I guess.
We have one more beer, I mean.
Yeah, one more beer. Yeah,
one more beer, why not?
Ja, vi sitter på bussen. Jag fick vara kvar för att vila mig. Och för att jag är jävligt trött. Jag har aldrig gick i biblioteket. Biblioteket bara sett tidigare. Jag vet ändå att det kommer bara stå och säga propaganda i varenda jäkla bok. Så det spelar ändå ingen roll. Jag tycker jag ska spela lite Kanye West för dem. So I'm gonna play some Kanye West for the North Koreans. So I'm gonna play some Kanye West for the North Koreans. Let's do Homecoming.
I was 3 years old, and what I love most, she had so much soul. She said, excuse me little homie, I know you don't know me, but my name is Wendy and I like to blow trees, and from that point I never blow her off. Niggas come from out of town, I like to show her off. They like to act tough, she like to tone them off and make them straighten up their head, know they soft.